I'm here for the Tacoma.
Absolutely. True that.
The hardest part of this is like, how short do I make this list?
Right.
It's a long list.
What's up, guys? Isaac here with Team 4Runner. We're here in the rainy, mucky, cold Flagstaff, Arizona, Overland Expo. But hey, we're doing our best. We're making do. We're having fun. And ultimately, we're here to check out the new 4th Gen Tacoma. So I've got Andrew with me from Toyota, from the Denver office. And he's just going to give us a quick little, like, what's new for 2024. So thanks a ton for talking with me quick. This is just, I'm like goosebumps.
Everyone's excited.
Yeah.
So this is what we're here for. I mean, obviously Overland Expo is exciting. Yeah. I'm here for the Tacoma.
Absolutely. True that.
The hardest part of this is like, how short do I make this list?
Right.
It's a long list.
For the sake of just updating, like, the basics, like, what can people, like, kind of expect? What's new?
Yeah, so the big thing is powertrain. That's my passion, right? We all loved previous Gen Tacoma, but it could use a little more oomph. So this vehicle is a 2.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder.
Okay.
Coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission.
8-speed, okay.
I'm all about extra gears, right? That's going to be great. And also having that turbocharger really helps us with you guys being at altitude. People who are driving up in the mountains, you can really notice when you've got a naturally aspirated engine. So that's the big change in this vehicle. The other thing is that we've changed some of that suspension. So some models have rear coils. So I know you guys know a thing or two about 4Runners. Really nice coil rear suspension with that 4-link, so we're going to get that available as well. So those are some big core changes. We've even changed the frame. It's a boxed frame.
Okay, wow.
Similar to Tundra, we talked. I don't know if I talked with you. Maybe you talked with someone else. But Dejima welding process. So we punch out these little pieces of steel and we laser weld them together like a puzzle, and we fold our frame together. So we've got nice and rigid frame without all the extra weight. The list continues to go on. So that's kind of like the core items as far as what we have available. And then obviously you can see we have this extra cab, which we haven't had in a while. So kind of bringing some of those fan favorites back and giving us a little bit more variety with that. So,
and obviously it's a completely new truck, interior, exterior, the whole thing's brand new.
Yes, we make a different frame now, right? We're not sharing those same components, which is huge for us because they were good components before, but we're happy for something new and see what we can improve on the truck.
Heck yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Well, stay tuned for the next video we'll drop. We're gonna talk about the pre-runner and kind of go more in depth with it, so thanks.